Ceacht Fihacht 28. We get to finally some normal conversation. I don't know why they wait till chapter 28, but this is stuff you use all the time, so it shouldn't be that hard to review. Kanistatu, which is really kanistatu, but we leave the out. Kanistatu. Kenchiwiltu is just another way of asking how are you. Gama. Gahulk puts an H. Puts an H before a vowel. Gadana. Buikaslagia. Garamagat. Falterot. Falterov. Slan lat to the person who is leaving. Slan liv to the people who are leaving. Slan agat to the person who is staying. Slan agiv to the people who are staying. Or you could just say slan. So those are the things that they were. And then you have the vocative case, which is you put the particle before the name, lenition if possible. And if it's a normal masculine name, most of them are, the ending slenderizes. So Seamus becomes a Hamish. Moira becomes a Woira. Martine becomes a Wartine. Nothing can happen to the ending. It's already slender. So those are the vocative case. And then just some commands. Tar and sha, fan and shin. Question ke tusa, avik. Na chemak, that's the negative command. Na chemak. Na tit astorin, don't fall, darling. Isman shkele shin, that's just a fronting sentence using the copula. Is scale ma'e. Is ma unskele. That's another way to say it. Is ulkenskele. Tasulagum, I hope. Galer, all. Don't mix it up with galure, which is plenty. Achawan, except for. Agus, for some reason, and vrichinach, which is measles. So that's what you have to study in this chapter.